My dog,
Yeah.
she started sneezing and she was, I couldn't figure out what was wrong. The vet couldn't figure out what was wrong. There were a couple things going on. Number one, I had one of those air fresheners in the house. She was allergic to that. Make sure these chemicals, these air fresheners, these things that dogs and cats are going to be sensitive to, you get rid of those. If you're going to use something, use baking soda. It's safe. Borax is also safe. Another thing, they're water. If you're using tap water, make sure that it's good quality tap water. Depending on where you live in America, you may not have good quality tap water. It's full of chlorine, it's full of chemicals. I know where I live, the water is really bad.